Welcome to Panasonic Campus Munich, where innovation meets application, prototyping, and production. At our Customer Experience Center, you don't just see technology, you experience progress. In real time, up close, and with absolute precision. Now available, the Panasonic UA3P, an ultra-precise 3D coordinate measuring system designed for optical and microstructured surfaces. With nanometer-level accuracy, the UA3P delivers exact surface analysis for your most demanding applications. Use our test lab for your pilot projects. Our infrastructure supports your prototyping journey, fast, hands-on, and reliable. We support you in Ottobrunn with measuring and evaluating your optical components on an area of up to 200 by 200 millimeters or a diameter of up to 280 millimeters with the UA3P. Experience the difference, precision that drives your progress. Welcome to the Panasonic Connect Europe Test Lab. Test the UA3P in action at Panasonic Campus Munich. Your project, our precision.